nobuholi obukhona kwe-AAM. Umsebenzi wami nje today mina ngizothandaza. So ngizothandaza, before ngizothandaza, ngifuna ukucela wonke umuntu wase-South Africa ukuthi they must understand ukuthi why these elections are so important. For the past 30 years, I want you to listen to this. For the past 30 years, bebasifundisa i-constitution le bayenzile. That is why when you look at the TV, ama-news, nibona abantu emakhote, bebazama nje ukuyifaka emqondweni. Ukwenzela ukuthi by 2024, then bese siya ku-constitutional slavery. Meaning, you'll forever. Nothing will change. Because senifundiswa umthetho, angithi senazi umthetho. And umthetho wrong, ungashulutho ngathi. Awukhulume anything ngomuntu omnyama, awuyenzona yithi, sabona nje umunye ubaba wethu, awupresent, aphosa ngawo lo mthetho, amene obunye umlungu bathu bawuyenzile. So for the past 30 years, we must conscientize us say understand you keep left, you overtake to the right. Then 2024, but say all their projects. Lalela, but for me, I'm a project. By NZ. 2023, but Tanganisa, my sepela, long project. In order, we must go back to the Union of South Africa. Manje, ubukila bethu is going to be ubukila obuvumelekile ngoindaba yani ye-constitution. So it is so important ukuthi wonke umuntu, doesn't matter ukuthi ukuliphi political party, ukuliphi iqembu. Now mabathi imvula yanetha, yelanga naba-election, come out. Because if you don't come out, you're slupega, nengani zakho slupega, nezukulu zakho slupega. You are going to be like this. That is going to be a constitutional slavery. So I want you to go out. Nikankasa nitshela abantu ukuthi hey, ivote yakho ibalulekile. I can invite each and every black person would. If vote here to this time, come out in numbers. 1994. Ibalulekile kakhulu. Masingaphumi silimele. Masingaphumi nje so uswa ibhungu. Dala bayenzile lento le, now sebayenzile sekumele iphelele. That is why siphumile abafundisi. Isonto today we don't go to church. Come out to defend this country, to defend our land, to defend for ingane zethu nezukulu zethu. While we heading for constitutional slavery. So please, ungamalala ukuthi sikhulume naye. It wasn't easy ukuthi aphume, but naye kade ayiphethe lento le ukuthi hey salimala kwaphela ngathi. If you don't come out in numbers, bakithi slimele, please, phumani. Amana vala masonto. I was in Northern Cape last week, telling them the same story. It's Amazon, masivale namasonto to defend so after we get the real democracy, a direct democracy. Island sifuna a direct democracy ukuthi umuntu akhululeke. Akekho umuntu abantwana besikolo manje bapasile, but ithi ngakhuluma kakhulu ngoba ngizoreveal our manifesto before time. Ukuthi wenzakalani uMkhonto weSizwe. And into engifuna ukuyi-emphasize yile amakhosi abafundisi, ama-artist, izangoma, you can see lapha ukuthi ubhaleni. Kubhalwe MK triple AM. So abafundisi, amakhosi, you come to triple AM. Tata i-dual membership in order ukuthi sikwazi ukulungisa izinto. From triple AM, yithi sifida MK in order ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola 2/3 majority, because if you don't get 2/3 majority, we won't be able to change that monster, which is the constitution lesiyenze. So Nipo, please, I beg you, South Africa, I beg you. Samisa this one, we are dead. Le yandlula kuphelile ngomuntu omnyama, kuphelile. Uyaqilazwa ngokumthetho. Ngoba ngithi sofundile umthetho. Mawuvula i-TV mouth. Babonisa ama-court. Now we're heading for that. We're heading for disaster. So South Africa, umuntu omnyama, please, I beg you this time. Come out, vote under MK. Then you can go back to your party. Go back to your party, but let us come together. To defend this letole. Ngizotandaza bakithi, ngizole nje ukuthandaza. Phela iyo into ngizole nje ukuthandaza futhi angisaye esontweni. So I need this Jesus of mine to protect me. A black Jesus. I know you don't know about that, but it's in here for lenye la. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nize ngokugcwele okunje la eKZN. Ngiyabonga. This is not my first attendance here MK, and niyeza ngobuningi. Ngibone abanye bakhuluma ukuthi hey KZN ngithi awushembe bayadlala. Ngaba bayozama samo yokwamanye ama-province. Hayi la is the home of MK. This is the home of uMkhonto weSizwe. This is the home of uMkhonto weSizwe. Bayadlala, they are just playing. Spokesperson, zocela nje ukuthi uzomfundela la. Umfundela nje. Ikwazi uku-explaina le ndaba le kancane.